me know in the chat if you're familiar with the Fishbone diagram, Ishikawa. It is a project management tool that I love to use for a variety of different things. And it looks like this. So let's say my team is having a conflict over roles and responsibilities. So I would fill something out like this, and I just came up with these labels. You might think of other labels that would make sense to put here as well. And I would go through and document, what do I know? Who's involved? What are the interests and needs for those people? What are the perceptions or attitudes? What are behaviors and actions that I'm seeing surrounding this conflict? What are some organizational factors? And even what are some external influences? So the problem is we always need more clarity when it comes to roles and responsibilities, right? Because a lack of clarity and lack of proper expectations can make you as the team member feel like you're being set up for failure, or at least not fully being set up for success. So I filled this out for just a situation where people would be disagreeing on roles and responsibilities. So we've got 5 people involved in the conflict, and we've got their interests and their needs, which the majority of people would have similar needs and interests, but sometimes you have somebody that has something unique. In this case, people want to get along. They want fairness and respect, and they want to have a quality product. They also want to get recognized for their work, and they want to be able to take some time off after they've earned it. Perceptions and attitudes. What are some perceptions and attitudes surrounding the notion of a misconception about roles and responsibilities? Well, some people might be frustrated. They might feel like they're being disrespected. They might not have ownership. They might be bored. There's probably a lack of team cohesion. There might be a disregard for quality. And so you can see how filling out a fishbone diagram could help you map out conflict so that you can then address the definitions, address the expectations, get everybody's feelings out. And you can do this with your team too. So that way you can then tackle the problem.